Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A23. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap View Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you've got access to quick tips, possibility to add payment card, and to add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. Also, you can manage all of your passes from here. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks and password manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and manage passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.